Maria sat at the airport in New York City. Her heart was pounding. 5 years of English classes. Hundreds of vocabulary words. Top marks on every exam. She was ready. Then the officer looked at her and said, "So, what brings you to the States?" And her mind went completely blank. She understood every single word. The question was simple. But her mouth would not move. People behind her were staring. Her hands started shaking. She finally whispered, "I visit family." She walked through those doors feeling like 5 years meant absolutely nothing. Have you ever felt that way? Hey everyone, I am Alice, and welcome to ChrisVerse, your daily American English podcast. What just happened to Maria happens to millions of English learners every single day. And today I am going to tell you exactly why it happens, and the one simple fix that changed everything for her. But first, quick quiz. Which sentence sounds more natural to a native American speaker? Option A, I am very happy to meet you. Option B, I am really glad to meet you. Drop your answer in the comments right now, A or B. I will reveal the correct answer after 10 comments. Okay, now back to Maria. Maria did not have a vocabulary problem. She did not have a grammar problem. Her real problem was this. She was thinking in her native language first, then translating into English. That tiny 1-second delay is exactly what froze her. Fluent speakers never translate. They speak in automatic phrases without thinking at all. Now let us pause for your word of the day. The word is stumble. Stumble means to have difficulty saying something smoothly, just like Maria stumbled over her words at that airport. You can say, "I stumbled during my presentation, but I kept going." Write this word down right now and use it once today. So Maria made one simple change. She stopped studying single words. She started learning chunks, short everyday phrases Americans say on autopilot. Phrases like, "Hang on a second." What do you mean by that? That totally makes sense. She said them out loud every single morning, in the mirror, in voice notes, alone in her room, every single day. 3 months later, Maria was at an airport again. Different city, different officer. He said, "First time visiting." Maria smiled and said, "Actually, my second time. I am really glad to be back." No shaking hands, no frozen mind. No searching for words, just smooth, easy, natural English. That one change transformed everything. Secret bonus phrase, only for you because you stayed till the end. The phrase is chime in. It means to join a conversation naturally, like feel free to chime in anytime. Very casual, very American. Now drop your quiz answer below, A or B, and I will reveal it after 10 comments. Subscribe to ChrisVerse for a new English lesson every single day. See you tomorrow.